I left home at 18. I learned to kill another human before I even learned to do my taxes. I learned how to care about someone else's life more than my own. I have friends in college and I have friends on the LOC. My friends in college go home for summer. My friends in Kargil haven't come back. I wrote my own will at 19. I don't get enough sleep most nights. I don't know the next time I will see my family. I don't know when I may go home. I don't know much really. But I know one thing. I have 1.2 million brothers out there, and they make it all worth it.
The motto of Indian Air Force, Nabasparsha Deeptam, touch the sky with glory, has been taken from 11th chapter of the Gita. The discourse given by Lord Krishna to Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra during the great war of Mahabharata. The Lord shows his supreme divine form to the great warrior Arjuna. As the great form of the Lord reaches the sky with glory, it evokes fear and loss of self-control in the mind of Arjuna. Our Indian Air Force similarly aims to profuse the adversaries with application of aerospace power in defense of the nation. Our aim, the Indian Air Force, is the fourth largest in the world, just behind USA, Russia and China. Indian Air Force was officially established on 8 October 1932 as an auxiliary air force of the British Empire which honored India's aviation service during World War II with prefix Royal.
Today, our nation is celebrating the 80th birth anniversary of Indian Air Force. In order to raise awareness about Indian Air Force officially and publicly, Indian Air Force Day is celebrated on October 8th every year. The Air Force Parade marks the beginning of the celebration. The wreath-laying and the oath-taking ceremony are usually highlights. The wreath-laying ceremony, a tribute to all the brave hearts of Indian Air Force who had laid down their lives in the service of our nation. Role of women in Indian Air Force is something that has been practiced and adopted in the last just over 2.5 decades. Padmavati Bandyopadhyay was the first woman Air Marshal of the Indian Air Force, the first woman officer to become an aviation medicine specialist, as well as first Indian woman to have conducted scientific research at the North Pole, and the distinction of being the first woman officer of the Indian Air Force to be promoted to the rank of Air Vice Marshal. The President of India serves as the Commander-in-Chief of Indian Air Force.
It's a dream come true for lots of young aspirants to join the Indian Air Force. The IAF has launched a 3D mobile game called Guardians of the Skies to encourage youngsters to join IAF. Motivation, strong commitment to serve the nation and determination is what is required the most in an IAF cadet. Indian Air Force has rightly adopted mission, excellence and integrity as its credo. The safety, honor and welfare of the country comes first. The honor, welfare and comfort of the men you command come next. Your own ease, comfort, happiness and safety comes last, always and every time. With this thought and insights, let's salute the great guardians of the skies with utmost respect and civility. So, when you happen to meet any of these heroes in any parts of your life, make them remember that we really care for them and we are proud to have them as our saviors of the air. Once again take this opportunity to wish all the brave hearts of the Indian Air Force a very happy Air Force Day. Jai Hind.